Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Realme is unlocked and you are signed into the Google account whose password you need. Once done, update Chrome and Google Play services and enable password sync so entries exist locally. Now go straight to Settings, tap Google, manage your Google account, then Security and Password Manager, or open Chrome and choose Settings Passwords. This opens the Saved Passwords list. Make sure you can authenticate with your device lock to proceed. Once the password list appears, search for the specific account or site to speed things up. Tap the matching entry to open details, and then tap the eye icon to reveal the password. Google requires re-authentication at this point. Use your device PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock to confirm you're the owner. After authentication, the password will display briefly so you can read or copy it. Make sure to copy it into a secure password manager rather than leaving it in clipboard long-term. Finally, store the revealed password safely. Either enable Chrome or System autofill or paste it into a trusted password manager and clear the clipboard afterward. If you don't see the account, make sure sync is enabled and you're signed into the correct Google account, then refresh. If the eye icon won't reveal the password, update Chrome and Play services, confirm your device lock is set, or use Google account recovery procedures. One troubleshooting tip: restart the phone after updates before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.